for part 4, okay, what we need to do is to solve the cross here on the yellow side, okay, because we're able to we're already done with the first and second layer. Now we need to solve this cross at the at the last layer, okay. So yeah, you're going to see how many three different cases here, or 4. So yeah, after doing this third part, after doing part 3, sometimes you'll be able to see that the cross here is already solved, okay. Sometimes you already see just 2 like this in angle. Sometimes you will see just a straight line, okay, and sometimes you'll see nothing. You'll just see the centerpiece, okay. So yeah, like this one. Wait. Okay, like this one, okay. Sometimes you will see it like this. We need to solve the cross, so what we need is the edge pieces with yellow, okay. So sometimes we'll see it like this, and sometimes you'll see it like this, okay. We have 2 in angular, okay, and sometimes you'll see it like this, straight line, okay. Just disregard the corner pieces yet for this part, because what we need, we need the edge pieces, okay. So you can find this, or if you're lucky, after solving the second layer, if you're lucky, you'll find this cross, okay. Again, disregard this corner pieces, because on this part we only need to solve the cross, okay. So if you're lucky, you'll be able to find this one after solving the second layer, okay. And then you may now skip that part 4, okay. And then part 5 is orienting the side like this. So again, if you're so very lucky, you'll be able to find this. Then you will skip the part 5. Then part 6 is, again, put these corners on the right orientation, okay. So going back to part 4, okay. I'm going to for this part, you will have steps to follow, okay. So how many steps that? 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay. 6. You will need to follow 6 steps for this part, okay. So yeah, that's F, okay, R, U, R prime, U prime, and F prime, okay. So if you encounter this case, okay, wherein there's nothing in there, what you need to do is just do that steps, okay. That's 6 steps like this, okay. Choose which side you want to be on front. So if you want to be this, you want this red in front, then do it like this: F, R, okay, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, okay. And after doing that, you'll see you're going to form an angle, okay. This is the other case. So sometimes after solving the second layer, you will be able to find this angle. Okay, so what we need to do is to perform that steps again. Okay, but be careful. Okay, again, because be careful. So because you need to put this angle on the right orientation, right location, so that you will be able to solve, you will be able to see progress. Okay, because if you do it like this, facing the angle is facing southwest. Okay, let's try it. So F R U R prime U prime F prime. Okay, as you can see, nothing happened, right? It's still facing southwest. Okay, so if you do it again, if you do it like this, facing northeast. Okay, F R U R prime U prime F prime. Okay, and tada, still facing still the same. Okay, northeast. Okay, nothing happened, no progress. So what we need to do is to either put it like this, facing what's this, southeast, or is northwest. Okay, okay, let's try. When you do it like this, northwest, so F R U R prime U prime F prime. Okay, you will be able to form a straight line. Okay, so yeah, if you're going to do the angle facing here, southeast, you will be able to form this straight line, vertical line. Okay, and for this northwest, you'll be able to form horizontal line. So if you have this line, straight line, what you need to do is to position it like this, horizontally. Okay, because if you position it vertically and then perform that steps, the result will be centerpiece, only centerpiece. This will go down back here. Okay, so what you need to do is do it like this, horizontally, and then perform the steps. Okay, so F R U R prime U prime and F prime. So there, we already solved the cross. Okay, so that's part 4.